so what experiment are we doing?
We're doing the Capillary Action Art.
Great job. So we built this. This is food coloring. Let's put it in the stream. Now let's see what happens. The little cookie. Ooh, you see the color going up the stream?
Yeah, I see the color going up the stream.
That is cool.
Capillary Action Art, I believe. Let's see what's gonna happen.
That one looks like lemon.
Yep, it's yellow.
Oh, yeah, it looks like yellow lemon and mustard or lemon.
Look at that flower.
Whoa,
Nice.
whoa, magic
Yep,
and gravity.
that is so cool.
And it's rising too.
Yeah, that was so good. Oh,
Ooh, look at the red.
it's like turning into.
Oh, I see yellow too.
Yeah, I'm about to say I see the yellow one.
Oh, red.
Whoa.
It looks like green. Whoa, that's too. No, that's what I'm talking about. That's too cool. Oh, this one's too.
Oh. The orange one beat the other two. I wonder why. Maybe I had more food coloring in that one.
Fruit coloring. How was that? That's too cool. Wait, that one's going up, but this one it's not. It's just waiting right here to PA elevator up.
Wow, Kiwicrate is so awesome.
Kiwicrate is awesome. Yeah, Kiwicrate is that. Oh,
Ooh, look at the red. It's still going.
now this one is gonna be dry. This one is gonna. We just gotta let it rest and
Yep,
be
you
dry.
just have to let it take its time.
Oh, the red is spewing. Kiwicrate is awesome.
The crazy part, the red one started first, but now the yellow one is beating the red.
Yeah, that was so good. That was so serious. So funny and so crazy. Oh, this one's 100% filled.
Yep, the yellow is 100%.
But this
The
one,
orange beat both of them a long time ago.
how many
Now
percent
it's
is
just
it?
the red,
Oh, it's just a 99%.
basically.
Let me watch it. Let's watch it.
It's almost done.
Yep.
It's coming.
10,
It's coming.
9, 8,
It's coming.
7, 6, 5, 4.
It's coming.
It was faster than I thought. Woo! Did you like that?
Yes, I did.
That was awesome. Oh my God, it's capillary action. Some liquids like water and the liquid color in this experiment stick to themselves and to other things. The liquid color sticks to the string fibers in the stem and the paper fibers in the flowers. This sticking causes the color to slowly climb up the stems and onto the paper flowers. This process of sticking and climbing is called capillary action. Capillary action is the way plants get water and nutrients from their roots all the way up to their leaves. Isn't that cool? We truly enjoyed this experiment. Thank you, Kiwicrate.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.